stripped the bolt. I couldn't remove it. So this is making a whole lot of noise in the car. Started or was at idle. That sounds right. So I'm gonna replace this bolt right here. So the exhaust is upside down right now. And what I'm gonna go for is to take these zip ties off. This thing was rattling and I zip tied it up, but zip tie does come loose after a while and the problem comes back. Yeah, so we're gonna take these off, take this bolt out. Alright, since I destroyed the nut, the square nut that was right there, I went to Home Depot and I got another nut for it. It's I think it's an M8 1.25. So I cut it, I drilled it, and I didn't realize that you could take off this square nut with a star, you know, with a star socket, because those are square also. And they just go right on top. That's crazy. So I did all that work for nothing.